morning, and good morning for those of you joining us via the web. My name is Mark Niebusch. I am with Online Development. We are going to talk to you today about our Configure and Go data exchange with our product EATM T Manager. This is a dedicated module with some configuration software that provides data exchange between control objects and databases such as Microsoft SQL and Oracle. The other thing we have in the booth here, each corner we have some touchscreen monitors. They have a number of videos that talk about how you set the module up. They're captioned and they also have audio with them. We also have a demo system here in the booth, and we have a couple stations where if you actually want to see the software in operation, a couple of our experts can walk you through an actual configuration. The last thing I wanted to mention is each day at 3 o'clock, tech session T60. I'll be up there. Lori Wilson, who's our product and support expert, will be up there, and we will be covering a little more detail on the product. We also have two customers' case histories, so they'll give you some examples of how the module is being used.
The key points of why we chose T Manager was one, the easeability of constructing the communication in between the PLCs and the back-end information systems. Two, the support for JMS, which satisfied the company's requirement to decouple the actual database the data resided in from the plant floor operations. And three, just the ease of use. The UI in and of itself made my job easy.
The T Manager streamlines that information quickly to get that information out of the plant floor. You know, in our world, a lot of ERP suppliers try to go to the plant floor and get data. And they live in the second world, and they can live in that world. We live in the millisecond world or sub-second world, and we need products, hardened products that can live on the plant floor and be able to collect that data. And we can use computers too, and be able to get it into a form factor that's presentable on the automation, not only to the plant floor, but then also to the ERP and also the business leaders of the organization. And that tool, the T Manager, is be able to streamline that process.
We have a MLX 100 robot gateway that runs the inverse kinematic solutions and all the planning for the robot. And that gateway communicates with our drives that are connected to our robot. So we think that it's important that at Skywell Motorman Robotics, we want to be able to have tight control of the robotics. So one of the things that's helped us to get to this point is the Online Development incorporated module that our kinematics, inverse kinematic solutions and planning software is running on board that unit.
This is an offering from Online Development. It's called the BLY90 module. It was co-developed with Rovasys and in Online Development. And it was an idea that we came up with based upon the Online's SAM module, Special Application Module, where we thought, why wouldn't we put an OPC server in the SAM module and offer a more integrated solution? And out of that idea came this dedicated module, which is high speed, very dedicated, locked down module that its only job, its only purpose is to transact information back and forth to control objects from Bailey.